today we are going to be trying out this Revlon hairbrush dryer one-step style booster. Anyways, let's get right into it. Well, it is smaller than the other one, and I like these bristles. You can see. By the way, I already have this one. I want to try this one. This one is giving me like a wave instead of a curl, and I want curls. I'm also going to use my hair rollers with this one, so we'll see. Look at this, it's not bad. I don't know how I feel about it because my hair is a bit frizzy, so it's not like smooth. Why isn't it smooth? I like smooth hair. I don't know, maybe I have to try a smaller section. We'll see. Try that, see if that works. What it looks like in the end. That. So far, so good. So I have pretty frizzy hair. What does frizzy even mean? I meant frizzy. Anyways. So I look a little crazy right now, but I think it's time we take out these hair rollers and I will see if the curls turned out smooth and nice or just frizzy. I mean, not bad. I just needed like a little bit of oil and stuff, and I think my hair will look nice in the end. I hope, at least. exactly the healthiest. I don't know. It's okay. It's okay, I guess. I'm not the most excited about it, but we'll make it work. It did give me a lot of volume. I completely forgot to mention that the plug, it was like inside this, so I had to like unscrew it. So that was like kind of annoying. If you live in Europe, and which I do, I live in Europe, we don't need this. This probably might work better for you than it did for me. And with this one, I can't really get like all up in my roots. With this one, you can. I like this one better, I think. I hope this review helped you guys a bit. And yeah, I added some more oil and now my hair looks a little better, less frizzy. Thanks for watching.